Good afternoon. Welcome to another project completed by 95 Reno. This project is a bungalow converted to a two-story, so we call it a home addition. With me, I have our clients, Heather and Sergio, and of course, I'm with Shed. This project exemplifies our attention to detail, working with our clients, collaborating at the highest level to making sure that we can really bring the ideas to life. Before we even kind of got together, how was the process of finding a contractor?
I think it was very unnerving. It was a bit scary because we didn't know who we should trust. You talk to these people and it was a huge step for us. We were so scared because we were taking our kids out of their home and for potentially more than a year or up to a year, and we were placing all our faith in someone to come in and to make our home the way we hoped it would be.